the double. 720.
Oh! Popping tires as he over-rotates that spin. Rear tire, I believe, just exploded. Oh. No, actually.
Wow.
Oh, yeah. The tire exploded there, blew off the bead, I believe.
Yeah, it looks like a blowout on the back end. Unfortunate for Josh Perry, but he is going to have to get his bike mechanic F1 style on because he's still got another run out here.
That jump that he just did the 720 off of, it is a very unorthodox kicker and landing. It's mirrored. They're both the exact same, so it's almost like hitting a spine, but it's not a perfect transition. It's going to be the second turn for the Greenville United States rider, Joshua Perry.
So Josh Perry, tail whip coming back in. Perry, big flare transfer. He's rocking a new bike he built just for this competition. It is a Mike Laird welded frame, total custom specs, backflip tail whip, lots of height, 360, suicide right there. He is pinching the seat with the knees, taking his arms off, looking to bypass that 720. Or excuse me, coming in right now. Let's see if he's gonna go for redemption on the 720, and he does. Very clean right there.
Perfect rotations there.
That's gotta feel great, going down, tire blowout, and coming back, sticking it clean.
Huge tuck no-hander out of that quarter-to-quarter channel on the honor.
Transfer up, where is he going, Ryan? Tail whip coming in, yes! Grabbing the transition. Josh Perry, let's see if he's got the energy and endurance. Double tail whip. Yes, popping a quick flare on the box jump lip and raising the hand right